your mobile oil changing service. LubeVan is the fast and easy way to get your vehicle's oil changed on your schedule.
Honda Odyssey. These cars haven't actually changed a lot in, I don't know, probably 10-15 years. Still a 3.5 liter V6. Oil cap is here. This car again calls for 0W20, which is the same as the last one. Washer fluid, air filter, brake fluid, coolant overflow jug. All very simple and all very similar to what we've had on all the Odysseys. So most of these Hondas have a nice spot to show you where to jack the car. As you get down here, there's a little kind of panel here, which is exactly where they want you to jack up the car, whether you're using a floor jack or the scissor jack in the trunk. But it's important you know where that spot is, because if you get over here, you're probably going to break this skirting, and that's not a very good day. So again, we're going to drain the oil on this Honda Odyssey. Very similar to the Civic we just did. The drain plug's here, 17 millimeter. It even tells you engine oil. And the oil filter is actually up here over the frame. Sometimes it's easier to take the wheel off on the passenger front to get to it, or you know, you can reach your hand in there and work it as best you can. You're definitely going to make a little mess of oil in the frame, so it's good to have some rags there ready to clean it up. And we'll show you that here in a couple of minutes. A bit of preventive measures to not make a huge mess. So I put a rag on the frame just under where the oil filter is, just so it makes it a little less messy. And it's going to drip on the frame and hopefully in my bucket. There's not much to prevent that. A little oil in the O-ring just to prevent it from sticking the next time you go to take the oil filter off the next oil change. And goes up. Essentially you want to get as tight as you can by hand, assuming you can get a good grip on it. If not, a band wrench is ideal. These ones aren't too bad. States 0W20, we're using synthetic oil, and it takes 5.4 liters. So we're going to do that now. Definitely, if you're not using a nice gun like mine, you'd want a funnel at very least, and might need a bit of a long neck funnel to get into this little spot here. As you can see, it's not the easiest spot to get to, and could definitely spill some oil if you're not careful. Okay, so this is just like the last car we did. So saying here we're due for maintenance. So to get to this screen, ignition's got to be on but engine off. So 2 presses of the start button. Just going to dismiss that and go to home. This time we're cycling through on the keypad here on the left. Again, looking for the wrench or maintenance, oil life. And again, we're just going to hold this enter button for about 10 seconds. And it should prompt us what we want to reset. We're going to do all due items. And reset complete. Oil at 100%. The tire sticker is here. Tell you what size tire should be on it and the appropriate pressure. They'll keep the tire pressure sensors from giving you a warning. Those look pretty good.
Change your oil, not your schedule. Book an appointment today and experience LubeVan. Visit lubevan.ca or call 647-667-5823.